Tesla has finally confirmed what many enthusiasts have been anticipating for years. The mass release of the Model 2 is scheduled for the fourth quarter of 2025. After years of speculation, delays, and shifting priorities, the moment has arrived. Production quietly began in June, and now the first limited units are prepared to roll out quite literally, as these vehicles are equipped with self-driving capabilities and will drive themselves directly from the factory to customers' homes. With a starting price of just $14,999, the Model 2 is set to shake the automotive world, offering a compact, affordable EV packed with Tesla's signature engineering. The announcement came as part of Tesla's second quarter 2025 financial report and immediately sent ripples across the automotive industry. The idea behind the Model 2 was not to slash Tesla's revenue or sacrifice margins, but to create a vehicle that's universally appealing while staying within reach for the average consumer. Given Tesla's track record of delivering at least one buzzworthy product every year, be it the long-awaited Cybertruck in 2023 or the Cybercab and Optimus humanoid robot in 2024, analysts had already circled this fall as the likely launch window for a new headline product, with Tesla confirming that the Model 2 will officially debut in November. The same month as its shareholder meeting, it feels like the stage is set for yet another major unveiling. Even if the Model 2 doesn't outsell the Model Y or Model 3, the demand is expected to be extraordinary. Elon Musk has said he can't even estimate the upper limit of demand for the Model 2. It's simply that high. The appeal of a Tesla under $15,000 isn't hard to understand. For years, Tesla was synonymous with high-end EVs, generally priced between $50,000 and $100,000. The Model 3 and Model Y began moving the brand toward affordability, but the Model 2 is a whole new level. A vehicle at this price makes owning a Tesla a genuine possibility for countless buyers around the world. Initially, this entry-level vehicle wasn't a top priority. Musk and the company were more focused on self-driving technologies, robotaxi concepts, and premium offerings like the Cybertruck and Cybercab. Reports even suggested that Musk had dismissed the idea of a cheap Tesla, calling it pointless. But circumstances have changed. The market has evolved, and so has Tesla's outlook, with EV adoption still growing and competition tightening. From Chinese automakers like BYD, the Model 2 is no longer optional. It's essential. Tesla is now all in on this compact EV, which is already being assembled on pilot lines at the Fremont factory. Though the Model 2 is being positioned as a brand new model, its design is more evolutionary than revolutionary. It shares visible DNA with the Model Y and embodies a level of design minimalism that's even more pared down than what Tesla fans are used to. While that might seem like a drawback, it's a deliberate strategy. Compared to budget-friendly EVs flooding out of China, the Model 2 is still impressively sophisticated. Tesla isn't aiming for sharp cornering like the Model S or Model 3. Instead, the focus is on creating an enjoyable, practical driving experience for the masses. What makes this launch so surprising is the aggressive pricing. While the original target for the Model 2 hovered around $25,000, Tesla decided to slash it further to $14,999, dramatically undercutting most competitors. This price point has real implications, not just for customers, but for the broader EV industry. It signals that Tesla is ready to go toe-to-toe with companies like BYD in the affordable EV space, even if that means sacrificing some luxury elements that longtime fans have come to expect. To hit this lower price, Tesla made intentional compromises, not just minor cost-cutting decisions, but fundamental simplifications of the car's design and features. Size is one of the more noticeable trade-offs. The Model 2 is about 30% smaller than the Model 3. It's a compact car through and through. Designed with a minimalist approach to reach that low price tag, it still manages to include some sleek design cues, like a distinctive light bar and well-sculpted wheels, but it's stripped of extras. Expect standard four-door styling and none of the dramatic Cybercab-like design flourishes. Inside, the Model 2 fits 5 people, but don't expect luxury. The interior will rely on basic materials, simple finishes, and fewer physical controls. The large 15-inch screen of the Model 3 is downsized to about 12 inches, and you can forget about features like ventilated seats or rear entertainment systems. That the driving philosophy behind this is clear. Tesla isn't trying to impress with opulence, but to democratize EV ownership. As Musk has said, this car is about mass adoption, not maximum features. Tesla knows not every customer needs a spaceship interior or a 0-60 time that melts your face. Some just need a reliable, efficient, affordable EV, and that's what the Model 2 aims to be. Features like ambient lighting, an elaborate sound system, or even tactile dashboard materials have been sacrificed to keep the price down. But Tesla's software-first approach ensures that what the Model 2 lacks in physical features, it can partly make up for through regular over-the-air software updates. Technologically, Tesla isn't just simplifying, it's also innovating. The Model 2 is expected to introduce Tesla's new 48-volt low-voltage electrical architecture, a more efficient and modern system that could improve energy efficiency while reducing weight and wiring complexity. This innovation aligns with Tesla's broader mission to optimize not just performance, but also manufacturing scalability. And when it comes to batteries, Tesla has made pragmatic choices. The Model 2 won't use the high-end 4,680 battery cells that are being reserved for the Cybertruck and Semi. Instead, it will rely on more affordable lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries sourced from CATL in China. These LFP batteries have their limits, offering less energy, density, and performance than their more expensive counterparts. But they are also safer, longer-lasting, and much cheaper to produce. For buyers not obsessed with acceleration or range records, these batteries are perfectly suitable. The base version of the Model 2 is expected to have a 53 kWh LFP battery, delivering a range of at least 250 miles. That's more than enough for most people's daily driving needs, and even a bit above average in the budget EV category. There are likely to be both single and dual motor configurations, with long-range variants possibly pushing close to 280 miles of range, but at a higher price. In terms of charging, don't count on miracles. While CATL's new generation LFP cells can theoretically charge up to 80% in just 10 minutes, Tesla's real-world performance is expected to be closer to 20 minutes to hit that threshold. Still, that's fast enough to make charging as routine as grabbing a coffee. Battery packs account for nearly half the cost of any EV, so using an efficient, cost-effective LFP pack was crucial in hitting that $15,000 target. Tesla already uses LFP batteries in roughly 70% of its vehicles today, and they've proven reliable and well-suited to daily driving. Tesla's pivot toward affordability is strategic, not reactionary. The Model 3 and Model Y brought Tesla into a broader market. But even those models still sit above $30,000, which puts them out of reach for many buyers. As the EV landscape shifts toward ultra-affordable vehicles, especially in key growth markets, Tesla needs a product that competes on cost without losing the brand's core identity. The Model 2 fills that gap and aims to offer the best mix of design, performance, and price available under $25,000, possibly dipping as low as $15,000 in some configurations. Instead of rushing the Model 2 market, Tesla carefully studied how budget vehicles are built. Engineers went so far as to disassemble a Honda Civic to analyze its design and manufacturing techniques. But rather than copying them, Tesla aimed to surpass them by applying its own innovations. The Model 2 will share a production line with the Model 3 and Model Y at Tesla's Gigafactories, where it will benefit from the latest advancements in automation and vertical integration. A big part of that is the Gigapress, a 50,000-ton casting machine, capable of producing large sections of a vehicle frame in a single shot. This approach allows Tesla to dramatically reduce the number of components needed to build a chassis, saving time, labor, and cost. The Model 2's compact frame makes it an ideal candidate for this kind of manufacturing. Traditionally, building an EV frame requires thousands of parts and extensive manual assembly. Tesla's casting technology simplifies all of that, injecting molten aluminum into massive molds to form entire sections of the vehicle in one go. That's not just futuristic, it's efficient. The choice of aluminum is another important factor. Aluminum is about 2.5 times lighter than stainless steel, making it ideal for EVs where weight directly affects range, performance, and handling. Tesla has used aluminum extensively in its premium vehicles, like the Model S and Model X. And now, those same benefits are being brought to its most affordable offering. If the Model 2 weighs around 3,880 pounds, the strategic use of aluminum could cut more than 2,000 pounds off that total. That's a huge deal. It means better energy efficiency, potentially up to a 350-mile range in certain trims, and improved performance all around. In fact, a lighter vehicle also means faster acceleration and more agile handling. Tesla expects the Model 2 to go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. An impressive stat for a sub-$20,000 car, and more than enough to outperform rivals like the Chevy Bolt, Nissan Leaf Plus, or BMW i3.